wabarakatuh. Good morning! Hi everyone! Welcome again in my class. I'm so great to welcome you again in the second session. Today, I'm going to talk about economical terms from C to D. Our topic today is about central bank. Bank, it's a really familiar word around you. As the economic student, we need to provide some information about central bank. We are not talking about only the definition. We are going to talk about the history. When, why, and how the central bank works in economic nowadays. In a brief, if we are talking about the central bank as the financial institution that has the privilege to control the production and also distribution of the money in a countries. So, as a country, you should has one financial institution can control, measure the monetary activities and also the inflation and also circulation economics happen in an economics life. And we are also curious about the history, and we also want to know what is the impact of the central banks in economical activities. So as a university student, I hope that you can learn, read, and watch the materials that provided by higher institution, Open University, UT, Universitas Terbuka. Mahasiswa Ananda yang saya banggakan, mahasiswa Universitas Terbuka dimanapun saja Ananda berada, di diskusi kedua, in a second discussion, please read the instruction, the question carefully. You understand what are the points. What should you do? What should your answer provide? So we not just copy and paste from any resources. Is how you can create and build your own arguments, your own opinions. The topic in our second discussion is really challenging and is also interesting. It's about why every country should have central bank. Is there any reason why? You should read some resources, reputable resources, book, ebook, journal, national or international journal can be used to improve, to strengthen your opinion. So do your best, use all the facilitation in tutorial online. I hope that in the second meetings about central banks, you can learn a lot and enjoy it, and have a nice day, and see you in the next session. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a great day. Wassalamualaikum.